Welcome to another episode of Hack Your Health. If you're over 60 and your knees ache, your shoulders feel stiff, or your hands swell in the morning, you're not alone. Millions of people experience this kind of joint pain every single day. But what if I told you your body already holds the secret to relief? Not in a pill, not in a supplement, but in the foods you eat. You see, your body is built on collagen. It's the glue that holds your skin, bones, muscles, and joints together. When you were younger, your body made plenty of it. That's why you could run, bend, and move freely without a single creak or ache. But as you age, your collagen factory slows down, about 1% less every year after your 30s. By the time you reach 60, your collagen levels have dropped so much that your joints begin to feel the difference. The cushion between your bones starts to thin, and what used to glide smoothly now feels like two rusty hinges grinding against each other. That grinding is inflammation, your body's way of saying, hey, something's wearing out down here. You feel it as swelling, stiffness, or sharp pain when you get up in the morning or walk up a few stairs. And while many people reach for painkillers or joint supplements, very few realize that your body can actually rebuild its own collagen naturally if you feed it the right ingredients. Imagine this. Your joints are like a bridge made of flexible cables. Over time, some of those cables start to fray. Collagen-rich foods are like the repair crew that comes in with new fibers, weaving them into the old ones to make them strong again. These foods don't just ease the pain. They help your body rebuild from the inside out. Now, most people think collagen only comes in powders or pills. But the truth is, nature gave us everything we need in real foods. From the broth simmering in your grandmother's kitchen to the bright fruits sitting in your fridge, each one can help restore your strength, calm inflammation, and bring back that youthful flexibility you thought was gone for good. Think about your mornings. You wake up, stretch, and maybe you feel that familiar tightness in your knees. You walk a few steps and they slowly loosen up. That stiffness isn't just aging, it's your collagen reserves running low. But with the right daily habits, your body can turn that around. You can wake up with joints that move freely, shoulders that don't ache, and a back that doesn't feel like it's made of wood. Today, we're diving into 6 powerful collagen-rich foods that do exactly that. Each one has been studied for its ability to reduce inflammation, rebuild tissue, and strengthen the very foundation of your joints. You won't need fancy supplements or expensive powders, just the natural foods that help your body heal itself. And before we jump in, if you're passionate about staying strong, active, and pain-free after 60, make sure to subscribe to Hack Your Health. Here, we use the power of natural remedies and science-backed nutrition to help you feel your best at any age. Now picture this, a warm cup of golden broth simmering slowly on the stove. The aroma fills the kitchen, rich and comforting. That's where our journey begins, with one of the oldest and most powerful joint-healing foods known to humankind. That golden broth you were picturing right now isn't just comfort food. It has liquid repair for your joints. When you sip on bone broth, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild cartilage, strengthen tendons, and soothe the swelling that creeps into your knees and fingers. The slow simmering process pulls out collagen, gelatin, and minerals from the bones, things your body can directly use to patch up the weak spots in your joints. You don't need fancy supplements when nature already gave you this miracle in a cup. Now imagine ending your day with a warm mug of this golden liquid. As you sip, you're feeding your body the same building blocks your joints are made of. Over time, people who include bone broth in their diet often notice less stiffness, easier movement, and that deep feeling of comfort you get when your body finally starts to feel young again. It's not instant. It's a quiet repair happening inside you, one sip at a time. But there's another food that does wonders for your joints, and it comes from the ocean: salmon. It's not just rich in collagen-supporting nutrients, but also packed with omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation at the root. You see, inflammation is like a tiny fire that burns inside your joints, wearing them down day after day. Omega-3s are the water that puts that fire out. When you eat salmon regularly, it helps your body stay calm, flexible, and pain-free. And it is not just the fats. Salmon also contains amino acids that your body uses to build collagen naturally. Think of it like this. Collagen is the structure, and amino acids are the bricks your body uses to rebuild it. Every bite of salmon is another handful of strong, sturdy bricks helping to restore what time has taken away. People often underestimate how powerful fish can be for aging joints. Those who add salmon, sardines, or trout to their meals a few times a week often report not just less pain, but better mobility. Their fingers bend easier, their knees don't creak as much, and even morning stiffness begins to fade. It's as if their joints are slowly getting oiled from the inside. You might not notice it after one meal, but after a few weeks of consistent eating, something magical starts to happen. That dull ache in your knees when you climb stairs, it starts to fade. The stiffness when you wake up in the morning, you'll find it disappearing faster. It is your body quietly saying thank you. Thank you for giving me what I needed all along. And here is a secret. Combining salmon with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or broccoli can actually boost collagen production even more. Vitamin C acts like the spark that ignites the collagen building process. So if you're preparing salmon, try squeezing fresh lemon juice over it or serve it with a side of bright veggies. It's a small trick that makes a big difference. Now let's talk about something sweet. Because collagen repair doesn't have to be boring. One of the most powerful and often overlooked collagen-supporting foods grows right on trees. It's colorful, juicy, and full of the antioxidants your joints crave. You might already have it in your fridge, and it might just become your favorite daily treat. That sweet burst of color you see when you open a bowl of mixed berries isn't just pleasing to the eye. It's a sign of deep healing power. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are nature's protectors for your joints. Each little berry is loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, compounds that calm the inflammation silently damaging your cartilage. Imagine your joints as a sponge. Over the years, that sponge gets dry, cracked, and brittle. The antioxidants in berries act like moisture, soaking deep into those cracks, restoring flexibility, and protecting your cells from further breakdown. When you eat berries daily, you are literally feeding your cartilage new life, giving it the tools to stay elastic and pain-free. And there's another secret inside berries: vitamin C. This vitamin isn't just an immunity booster, it's essential for collagen synthesis. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your joints, bones, and skin together. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't rebuild the collagen it loses every day. That's why seniors who eat vitamin C-rich foods often experience less swelling, fewer aches, and even notice smoother skin over time. But we're not stopping at berries. Let's move to a fruit that shines with golden light: pineapple. Inside this tropical fruit is a natural enzyme called bromelain. It's one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Bromelain works like a natural pain reliever, breaking down the compounds that cause swelling in your knees, ankles, and fingers. Some people even say eating pineapple daily feels like taking a natural joint supplement, except it's delicious and full of fiber. Here's something fascinating. Bromelain doesn't just reduce inflammation, it also improves nutrient absorption. So, when you combine pineapple with collagen-rich foods like fish or eggs, your body can absorb those nutrients more efficiently, strengthening your joints even faster. A simple habit like adding a few slices of pineapple to your evening meal can make your recovery process smoother and more powerful. Next up is citrus: oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These fruits are like nature's collagen factories. Their vitamin C content is through the roof, helping your body rebuild cartilage, ligaments, and connective tissue. When you drink fresh orange juice or eat a slice of grapefruit in the morning, you're giving your body the exact spark it needs to regenerate joint tissue. But there is more. Citrus fruits also contain plant compounds like hesperidin and naringenin that protect your blood vessels and improve circulation. Better circulation means your joints receive more oxygen and nutrients, exactly what they need to repair and thrive. Over time, that means fewer aches, more mobility, and a noticeable lightness when you move. Here's a simple bedtime tip. Drink a small glass of fresh orange juice or warm lemon water mixed with a teaspoon of honey before bed. This gentle drink helps your body stay hydrated overnight and gives your joints a steady stream of vitamin C to build collagen while you sleep. It's like letting your body repair itself while you rest. But there's another fruit that takes joint healing even deeper, one that's creamy, green, and packed with the right kind of fat. It's not sweet, but it's a true friend to your cartilage. Its healthy oils work as natural lubricants, making your joints glide smoother and easing every step you take. That creamy green fruit we were hinting at? It's avocado, the unsung hero of joint health. When you eat avocado, you're not just getting a dose of healthy fats, you're feeding your joints the exact nutrients they crave to move freely. Avocados are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and monounsaturated fats, the same type of fats that keep inflammation in check and prevent your cartilage from drying out. Think of your joints as hinges on a door. Over the years, those hinges can start squeaking and grinding from lack of lubrication. Avocado acts like natural oil for those hinges, helping them move smoothly again. The healthy fats in avocado form a protective cushion around your joints, reducing stiffness and soreness, especially in the knees, hips, and lower back. But here, even more amazing, avocados also contain unique compounds called avocado soybean unsaponifiables, ASUs for short. These have been shown in research to slow down cartilage breakdown and even encourage the body to rebuild it. It is almost like giving your joints a gentle reminder, you are not done yet. Keep healing. Try this. Mash half an avocado with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of turmeric. Eat it with whole grain toast or add it to your salad. That simple combination provides anti-inflammatory fats, antioxidants, and curcumin, all working together to strengthen your joints and reduce swelling naturally. Now let's move to another fruit that's often overlooked, papaya. This tropical gem is a collagen-boosting powerhouse. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and enzymes like papain that help reduce pain and swelling. Papain works similarly to bromelain in pineapple, breaking down inflammatory proteins that irritate your joints. What's special about papaya is how gentle it is on your stomach. It helps improve digestion, which indirectly supports joint health because your body can better absorb nutrients. A healthy gut means fewer inflammatory responses throughout your body, and that translates to more flexible, pain-free joints. You can make a simple joint healing smoothie by blending papaya, a few pineapple chunks, and a spoonful of chia seeds. It's creamy, slightly sweet, and incredibly powerful for your cartilage and connective tissues. Now let's reveal one of the most surprising collagen-supporting fruits, kiwi. This tiny green fruit packs a huge punch. Kiwi is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, even more than oranges. It also contains vitamin K and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect both your joints and your eyes from aging. When you eat kiwi regularly, it helps your body maintain collagen levels, strengthen blood vessels, and reduce the oxidative stress that damages cartilage. If you ever wake up with stiff fingers or tight knees, having a kiwi or two with your breakfast might help you notice smoother movement over time. And don't toss the skin away. Believe it or not, kiwi skin contains even more antioxidants and fiber. Just wash it well and blend it into your smoothie. So far, we've explored berries, pineapple, citrus, avocado, papaya, and kiwi, 6 fruits that not only fight inflammation, but also rebuild the collagen your body is losing every single day after 60. But how do you put this all together in a daily routine that actually makes a difference? That's what we'll cover in the final part. A short, powerful guide to rebuilding your joints from the inside out and ending your day with strength, flexibility, and lasting relief. So, let's tie everything together, because what you do every day matters more than what you do once in a while. If you've made it this far, you already know that collagen isn't just a beauty buzzword. It is the protein that literally holds your body together. After 60, your natural collagen production drops sharply, and that's when you begin to feel it. The creaky knees when you stand, the soreness in your back when you bend, or the swelling in your hands after a simple task. But the good news is this: you can slow that process and even reverse much of the damage by nourishing your body the right way. Start by making your mornings collagen-rich. Instead of reaching for processed breakfast foods, have a small bowl of berries, blueberries, strawberries, or cherries. These flood your cells with antioxidants that protect your collagen from breaking down. Add a spoonful of chia or flax seeds on top to boost omega-3s, which help lubricate your joints and reduce stiffness. If you love smoothies, blend pineapple and papaya with a splash of water or almond milk. This powerful combo reduces inflammation while supporting your gut and digestion. At lunchtime, make sure you include at least one portion of protein with your meal, such as lentils, eggs, or lean fish, and pair it with avocado slices or a citrus-based dressing. That vitamin C will help your body turn that protein into usable collagen. Remember, collagen synthesis doesn't happen unless you have enough vitamin C, zinc, and amino acids together. It's like trying to bake bread without flour, yeast, or heat. You need all three to get results. By evening, focus on repair. This is the best time to have a collagen-boosting juice or snack. You could blend kiwi, orange, and pineapple into a refreshing evening drink. It's light, hydrating, easy to digest, and fuels your body with enzymes that repair tissue overnight. This is also the perfect time to sip on a cup of warm bone broth or chicken stock. Think of it as a natural internal moisturizer for your joints, soothing, healing, and deeply nourishing. With each sip, you're resending collagen and amino acids straight to the areas that need the most repair, your knees, hips, and lower back. Now here's something most people don't realize. Collagen doesn't just make your joints flexible. It strengthens your blood vessels too. When your veins and arteries stay elastic, blood can flow more freely through your legs and feet. That means less swelling, less heaviness, and fewer nighttime cramps. Some people even report that after a few weeks of eating these collagen-rich foods consistently, they sleep better because their legs no longer ache through the night. If you've ever felt frustrated by that slow, stiff feeling when getting out of bed, here's what is happening. Your muscles and connective tissues tighten up when collagen levels are low. That's why the first few steps in the morning can feel rough. But once you give your body what it's missing, the glycine, proline, and vitamin C it needs to rebuild those tissues, you all start to feel lighter and more stable on your feet. Remember, the secret isn't eating one magical food once in a while. It's about building a daily rhythm that feeds your collagen continuously. A spoonful of gelatin here, a serving of papaya there, some bone broth at dinner, all of it adds up. These small daily choices quietly repair your tissues, cushion your joints, and keep you moving with confidence well into your 70s and 80s. So as you finish this video, take a moment to imagine your body healing from within, joints becoming smoother, stiffness melting away, and your legs feeling lighter and stronger than they have in years. You deserve that feeling of freedom and ease. And if this story resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone you care about. You never know who might need that reminder that it is never too late to start rebuilding from the inside out. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Hack Your Health for more simple, science-backed, natural health stories. Together, we're building stronger bodies and healthier lives one day at a time. This video is for educational purposes only, not medical advice.